Ever wondered how to blend the old with the new in your home decor? Ever heard of Art Nouveau? This captivating style emerged in the late 19th and early 20th centuries as a bold reaction to the rigid designs of the Industrial Revolution. Embracing the beauty of nature and the elegance of flowing lines, Art Nouveau brought a breath of fresh air to interior design. Art Nouveau, French for new art, sought to harmonize natural forms with the man-made environment, making it a pivotal movement in the evolution of modern design. But what exactly makes Art Nouveau so unique? The answer lies in its key characteristics. This style is defined by its flowing lines that mimic the beauty of nature. Floral motifs are abundant, and new materials like iron and glass are used innovatively. But it's not just about the big picture. Attention to detail is paramount in Art Nouveau designs. Every element, from furniture to wallpaper, is meticulously crafted. With its signature whiplash curves and nature-inspired motifs, Art Nouveau interiors create a sense of movement and fluidity, inviting nature indoors. Now, how can you bring this enchanting style into your contemporary home? The answer lies in the details. Art Nouveau is all about fluid, organic lines and nature-inspired motifs. Look for wallpaper designs with swirling patterns or floral motifs. Lighting fixtures too can provide that distinctive Art Nouveau touch. Think of Tiffany-style lamps with their rich colors and intricate designs. Decorative items such as mirrors with ornate curving frames can add an Art Nouveau flair to any room. And let's not forget about color. Art Nouveau embraces a palette inspired by nature. Think earthy browns, sky blues, and water greens. These hues can bring a room to life, creating a serene and harmonious space. Remember, you don't need to go all out to achieve the Art Nouveau look. Bringing Art Nouveau into your home doesn't require a complete overhaul. Start small, with accent pieces that capture the style's spirit. Art Nouveau is more than a design style. It's a philosophy that blends form and function with the natural world. Consider its principles in your own design projects. Follow us on social media for more design tips. Let Art Nouveau inspire your next design journey. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more design insights.